Hello, I am Carlos Moya and this is the 6th video of PVED-CLS basic training. In this video we are going to see the different types of export parameters files and import parameter files. It's not required the password for exporting the parameters. We go to Parameter File Interface OEM. First, we can choose where we want to export the files in the case that we have more than one disk. Second, we need to choose the file format. The basic file contains parameters, names and values, and the extended file contains all from basic plus the parameter number pxxxx, sometimes very useful. Last, we can decide if we want to export all parameters or PAE parameters. PAE parameters is going to export only the parameters that are not default. Every time that we export one file is going to take some minutes, and before exporting a second file it's recommended to go to the folder where it's creating the file and rename it. Otherwise, the next export will overwrite it. Here we can see a basic and extended PAE files, where we only have the parameters that are not default, and we can observe the parameters number in the extended file. Now we can see an all parameter file and a PAE file, both extended. The parameter number corresponds with the number that we have in the service tool. For example, in hydraulic configuration we have P3072 or P3073. If we go to clone PVED-CLS, we can export clone parameter files, and we have basic and extended files as before. The difference is that the clone file can be imported later, so in the case that you want to transfer the parameters to another PVED-CLS is easier. In addition, the clone files don't export the valve calibration, CAN wash calibration data, analog sensor calibration data, and production flag. Here we can observe the comparison between a clone extended file and all parameter extended file. Remember that every time that we export a file, we recommended changing the file name. If we want to import the parameters, we click in Import Clone PVED-CLS parameter file and we choose the desired file. After, we need to click Download Clone Parameters and it's done. This is everything for this video. Thank you for watching.